what? Never use track glue to do your eyelashes or something like that. I'm gonna insert the clip. Don't do that. Like, hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney and you're watching A Life with Courtney. In today's video, I am gonna show you guys how to properly apply your eyelashes and take them off, because I was scrolling through Instagram. Was that yesterday? Probably yesterday. No, that was today. And like I saw this video, like it said what? Never use track glue to do your eyelashes or something like that. I'm gonna insert the clip. Don't do that. Like, just don't do it. Anyways, so first I'm gonna show you guys how I put on my eyelashes. Okay, so the eyelash I'm gonna be using today is style 102 from my small eyelash company. It's called Divine. Follow us on Instagram at Coco Bliss. Show some love and some support. So we're just gonna start off by taking off the eyelash. Got this tweezer. Alright, so we take off this. This is what the eyelash look like. So cute. Right, so we're gonna use the hair glue. I already opened it. Use the hair glue. I'm just gonna use this needle to get the glue onto the eyelash. Should look like this. So what I like to do is just put the eyelash back in the kit. Let it get, a little tacky. So I just put it right back on there, like so. Now we're gonna take off the other eyelash. So now we're just gonna wait a while for this to get tacky. I normally wait like 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. There for quite a minute. No, I feel like it's tacky enough. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. So I'm just gonna put that on. What I like to do is just hold on my eyelash like this. On there. Like this. Now I take my hand and I just press it down into place. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to the next side. So just hold on your eyelid like this. Okay, now that you guys know how I put on my eyelashes, I'm gonna show you how to properly take it off. I know some people will be like, oh, take off your eyelash in the shower or whatever, but I personally like to take off my eyelash before I go to bed. So what I use, I just get some oil some regular oil, and some Q-tips. So I just get one Q-tip out, open the oil. I'm gonna be using castor oil. It doesn't really matter. Also, try not to get oil in your eyes. Right, so what I like to do is, let me just put this back. I like to just, let me do this one first. Just rub the oil all over. And it's out. Like that. I didn't lose no eyelashes or nothing. Let's do the other side. Okay, so eyelashes out, no eyelash gone, but I'm sure you guys can see that there is glue on my eyelashes. Can you guys see it? So what I like to do is just get a spoolie, dip it in some oil. I don't know if y'all can see the oil on there. Probably a little too much. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna comb through. Just keep combing through your eyelashes. So what the oil does is it'll loosen up the glue, so like it gets back tacky basically. So it's easier to detach from your eyelash or the falsies. So you're just gonna keep brushing it until you know all the glue come out. I like to just pull up the glue because it's like already tacky, so it's just gonna slide right off. I just like to pull it out like so, and then we go back in there. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's basically off my eyelash. So I just have some in this corner, in the corner. So I'm gonna use this Q-tip, and I'm just gonna get in the corners, like so. I don't know if y'all can see that it's all gone now. Look at this one. So now we're just gonna do this side. Well, so the whole time I was recording and my battery was dead, so you know my phone ended the video. Anyways, I got it all out. I don't know if y'all can see that. just wiping it off with some cotton balls. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you guys learned something new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, and peace till next time.